Also, to finalize the page for the light, there is a very handy tool that we added, and it's called radio group. The radio grouping will allow you to highlight the button that is pressed already and the mode you are already on. So for example, I can just highlight those 4 buttons, and then before I highlight them, if you press on any button, you will see here there is normal and pressed color, so you have 2 colors for the button. Whenever you highlight them and put them in radio group, any button you press will stay in pressed mode until you press another button, so you can know exactly on what scene you are. And to demonstrate this, we can here go to the simulator tool, and we can go to the light, and you remember we have radio grouped those 4 buttons, and if you press here, you see it stays in the press mode until you press another button, and then it releases the press mode to the normal mode. So you can actually trace exactly what scene you are on, so that you'll not recall it again, or that you can recall other scenes right away knowing what scene you are on. This was the video for radio group and the utilization of it in the lighting page. Thank you.